You know, I talk to people every single day who tell me the same story. Michelle, I've tried everything: keto, intermittent fasting, those expensive meal services, brutal workout programs. I do everything right, but the weight just doesn't budge, and when it does come off, it comes right back. If that sounds like you, I want you to know that you're not broken. You don't lack willpower. The missing piece probably isn't what you're eating or how much you're exercising. Here's what most people don't realize. Your body isn't a simple calculator where calories in equals calories out. Behind the scenes, you have this entire symphony of hormones: insulin, cortisol, thyroid hormones, testosterone, estrogen, and they're orchestrating everything about your weight, your appetite, your metabolism, where your body stores fat, how efficiently it burns calories. When these hormones are out of balance, which happens to almost everyone as we age, even your most dedicated efforts feel like you're pushing a boulder uphill. I see this constantly here in Orlando. A woman comes in, she's doing everything her trainer told her to do, she's eating clean, but her cortisol level is through the roof from stress, so her body keeps storing fat. Or a man who's lost muscle and gained weight around his middle because his testosterone has declined. Traditional weight loss programs completely ignore this. They give everyone the same meal plan, the same workout routine, hoping that one size fits all will somehow work for everyone. And then when it doesn't work, people blame themselves. Here at the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, we understand how incredibly frustrating this cycle is. You deserve to have someone who actually listens to what your body is telling you and not just hand you another generic diet plan. We've been helping Orlando residents break free from this frustration by treating the root cause: your hormones. We don't just treat lab numbers, we treat you as a whole person. Here's exactly how we'll help you finally get the results that you've been looking for so hard. First, we do comprehensive testing, not just basic labs, but a deep dive into your hormone levels, including testosterone, estrogen, thyroid hormones, insulin, and cortisol. We also look at your lifestyle, stress levels, sleep patterns, everything that affects your hormones. Second, we create your personalized hormone optimization plan. This isn't about following some cookie-cutter program. We're optimizing your unique hormone profile to remove those invisible barriers that have been sabotaging your efforts. Third, you'll work with our health coach, Sherry Stricker, who develops practical, sustainable strategies that fit your real life. No extreme restrictions or impossible routines. And here's what happens when your hormones are working with you instead of against you. Your metabolism revs up. Your appetite naturally regulates. Those crazy cravings start to fade. Your energy soars, so you basically want to be active. Your sleep improves, which is crucial for weight management. Let me tell you about Jennifer. She came to us after years of fighting her body. Once we addressed her hormone imbalance and she started working with Sherry, she lost 65 pounds in 8 months. Not through some crash diet, but by working with her natural body chemistry. If you're tired of fighting your body and ready to work with it instead, your transformation starts with understanding your unique hormone profile. Whether you're dealing with stubborn weight that won't budge, low energy, or just something isn't right, we're here to help you get answers and get real results. If you have any questions or would like to book a consultation, head over to hormonesandwellness.com. Let's figure out what's really been holding you back and create a plan designed specifically for your body. Your hormones don't have to be your enemy. Let us show you how they can be your greatest ally in achieving lasting weight loss success.